Okay, so now I'm scared. If you throw me inside, I'm gonna pull it.
That's because the Pyro Fuse goes, and the Pyro Fuse cuts power to the starter motor, and Porsche put it in a really, really annoying place, which we're about to show you, which could take a few hours of our labour. Right, let's get it into neutral. Should be able to push it forward.
Look at that dashboard.
When a car crashes and the airbags deploy, the ECU sends a signal to the Pyro Fuse to cut the power going to the starter motor to stop you from starting the car again. All of you guys will know this, and if you didn't know this, well then, now's a good time to subscribe, because I guess you learned something new.
It's giving me the noddy wrench. What's this?
So our goal is to get to that Pyro Fuse.